Sai Ram students, let us continue with chapter number 3, addition. Today in part 5 we are going to understand addition using expanded form. Children, expanded form we have already learned in chapter number 1. Let us revise. Now, what is expanded form? Children, when we look at the number, each number has a place value. It determines the value of that digit according to its position in the number. Now, look at this example. The number that is given is 2385. You can see the number 5 which is in ones place. The place value of number 5 is 5. Then the place value of number 8 is 80. The place value of number 3 is 300. And the place value of number 2 is 2000. Children, writing the number in expanded form means to write the value of each digit, then add them together to find the sum. Like here, 2000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 5 is the expanded form of 2385. Let us see one more example. Here the number is given as 7294. The expanded form of the number is 7000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 4. Now children, how we are going to use expanded form in addition? Let us see. Children, it's a normal addition sum. 6314 plus 5897. Now here we are going to add it. After adding, we get the answer as 12,211. Now we have already learned how to add the numbers. Now let us see how to add the numbers using expanded form. So we have to first look at our question. Take the first number and write the expanded form. 6314 is equal to 6000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 4. Whereas the expanded form of 5897 is 5000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 7. Children, after writing the expanded form, we have to add the numbers from ones place. That is, in ones place, we have the number 4 and 7. So we will first add 4 and 7. Then we will add 10 plus 90. Then we will add 300 plus 800. And then we will add 6000 plus 5000. Like this. Children, 4 plus 7 is 11. Now, while writing the answer, be careful that we don't have to carry over. Whatever answer we get, we have to write it together. There is no need of carrying number 1 to the next place. Okay? The same it applies to 10 plus 90. 10 plus 90 is 100. So number 100, you are going to write it together. You are not going to carry over this one in the next place. 300 plus 800 is 1100. Then 6000 plus 5000 is 11,000. Children, after adding all of them, we have to make our addition table. And we have to place all the numbers properly. Now here you can see 11,000. 1000. I've written 11,000 here first, then plus 1100, then plus 100, then plus 11. We have to add all the numbers. Now start adding. In the ones place we have 1, tens place we have 1, in hundreds place we have 1 plus 1 which is 2, thousands place we have 1 plus 1 which is 2, and 10,000s place we have 1. Children, if you observe carefully, the first addition that we have done, this answer and the answer that we got after expanding form is same. So children, addition can be done using expanded form also. Children, let us see like this similar sums in exercise 3.3. The first question is add using expanded form. Children, you are going to note down all the question answers in your notebook. The first question is 4,826 plus 2,795. Children, the first box that you can see is your normal addition. So we have to first add both the numbers and find the sum. So let's start adding. We will add from ones place. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 will be carry over in the tens place and we'll write 1 in the ones place. Then we will add 1 plus 2 plus 9 in tens place, which is equal to 12. Again 1 will be carry over and number 2 will write in tens place. Children, in hundreds place we have 1 plus 8 plus 7 which is equal to 16. 1 will be carry over and number 6 will write in hundreds place. In thousands place we have 1 plus 4 plus 2 which is 7. Children, so the answer is 7,621. Children, this same answer we should get after adding using expanded form. So first let us find the expanded form of the numbers. 4,826 is equal to 4,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 6. The expanded form of 2,795 is 2,000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 5. After writing the expanded form, we have to start adding the numbers. We'll add from ones place here. 6 plus 5 is 11. 20 plus 90 is 110. 800 plus 700 is 1,500. And 4,000 plus 2,000 is 6,000. Children, then we have to make the table where we have to place all these numbers properly. Let us start from 6,000, which we are going to write here. Then 1,500, then 110 and number 11. Write the number in the proper place. Then we have to add all the numbers. In ones place we have 1, tens place we have 1 plus 1 is 2, hundreds place we have 5 plus 1 which is 6, and thousands place we have 6 plus 1 which is 7. Children, now let us just check whether both the answers are same or not. Yes, we can see that when we have added previously, we got the answer as 7,621, and after solving the sum using expanded form, we got 7,621. Let us move on to the next sum. The B1 question is 3,794 plus 5,863. Children, after adding both the numbers, the answer is 9657. Let us now write the expanded form of the numbers. Children, the expanded form of 3794 is 3000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 4. Whereas the expanded form of 5863 is 5000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 3. After writing the expanded form, we have to add the numbers. We'll add from the ones place. 4 plus 3 is 7. 90 plus 60 is 150. 700 plus 800 is 1500. And 3000 plus 5000 is 8000. Children, then we have to place all the numbers properly in the table given below. So first we will write the first number, which is 8000. Then we will write 1500, then 150, and then number 7. Children, write the number in the proper place. After adding all the numbers, the answer that we get is 9657. Children, let us check whether both the answers are same or not. Yes, when we do normal addition, we get 9657, and after doing the addition using expanded form, we get the answer as 9657. Children, this is how you are going to write it down in your notebook. Let us move on to question number 2, which is write in expanded form and add. Children, here the boxes are not given. The first question is 6325 plus 3784. So we have to draw the tables and everything. Write the question first, then we have to solve it as normal addition. Write all the numbers in their proper place. Let us add. We'll start from ones place. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 will be carry over and 0 will write in tens place. Then we have 1 plus 3 plus 7 in hundreds place, which is equal to 11. Again 1 will be carry over and the other one will write in the hundreds place. In thousands place we have 1 plus 6 plus 3, which is 10. Again 1 will be carry over and 0 we will write in thousands place. Children, there are no numbers in thousands place except 1 as carry over. So we'll put number 1 directly in our answer. So what we have got here is 10,109. Children, after this step, we have to find the sum using expanded form. So first let us expand the number. The expanded form is quite easy. The expanded form of 6325 is 6000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5. And the expanded form of 3784 is 3000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 4. After finding the expanded form, we have to add the numbers. 4 plus 4 is 9. 20 plus 80 is 100. 300 plus 700 is 1000. And 6000 plus 3000 is 9000. Children, this step is very important because while we are adding the numbers in expanded form, we don't have to carry over. Write the number together. Okay? After that, we have to draw one more table, write the places properly, and then put the numbers in the proper place. The 9,000 here, then 1,000 plus 100 plus number 9. Let us add now. In ones place we have number 9. In tens place we have number 0. In hundreds place we have number 1. In thousands place we have 9 plus 1, which is 10. 1 will go up as carry over in 10,000s place, and 0 we have to write in thousands place. Children, in 10,000s place we don't have any other number, so put number 1 directly in 10,000s place. As you can see, both the answers are same. This is how you are going to do the sum. Children, now let us see B question. 5,637 plus 2,983. When we add 5,637 to 2,983, we get the answer or sum as 8,620. Children, then we have to expand the numbers. The expanded form of number 5,637 is 5,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 7, and the expanded form of 2,983 is 2,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 3. Children, after writing the expanded form, we have to add the numbers from ones place. That is 7 plus 3 is 10. 30 plus 80 will be 110. 600 plus 900 is 1,500. And 5,000 plus 2,000 is 7,000. Children, after finding the sum, we have to write the numbers in the proper places. We have to make a table and write the number in the proper places. First, we will write 7,000, then 1,500, then 110, and number 10. Let us add now. We will add from ones place. We have 0 here. In tens place we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. In hundreds place we have 5 plus 1 is 6. And thousands place we have 7 plus 1, which is 8. You can see both the answers are same. Children, this is one more method of addition, that is using expanded form. There are few homework sums that you have to note it down. Children, I hope you are solving all the homework sums. Question number 1 is add using expanded form. Children, copy the C sum. It is 4,326 plus 1,547. This is the format which is given in your textbook also. Then question number 2, write in expanded form and add. The C sum is 7,845 plus 2,930, and the last sum is 3,620 plus 2,048. Children, in this sum you have to draw the boxes properly, the table properly, and add. Thank you very much.